Good morning, this is Percy again from Digital 100. Last lesson medu takadzidza about my links, but it's about my attributes. So in this lesson we're going to learn about media. We're going to learn about how we are going to add an image to our web page and tukuzona futunisa say audio then ne video. And so let us open our Visual Studio Code. Yang ndakaisa pa taskbar, you can do the same. So these are our last pages. So I want to delete services, contact us, and about us. For you, you can save them in another folder for future reference. So for me, I'm going to delete these and clear the content. I'm going to change the title to media and put a hyphen and say images, videos, and audio, like this. Then I put an H1 media here and I save. Then I do a right click and say open with live saver. And then we do this. So the first thing that I want to do is that ndine content yandinayo pa desktop pangu. You can pick any music song, any audio, or any image. Saka indine zvangu zvandinazo, I want to select them and drag them ndichizviunza kuno ku VS Code kwangu ndouya ku this side under HTML ndo release. And so kana zvadaiso zvinenge zvakopa this guitar, this note zvako kana zvine mamwe mazita akasiyana siyana akareba, nombra kuti ungozvirename to something rinenge richingori one word, something short, and or something like you can use my names and ndashandisa guitar. Kana iri music you can just say music, something like that, something short. And kana wadai so wapedza toda kutanga neimage redu. So if you want to add an image tag really different kune mamwe ma tags in this way. Image tag rinongori ne opening chete harina closing, anoima self closing tags. And so tag racho hatisi kushandisa image, tushandisa img like this. Kana tadaro tot space toisa / to closer. You see, this is different from zvakaita h1 ukuti zvo ano opena here achi closer here. This one is called a self closing. We just put an opening brace, then we put a tag, and we put a / kweku closer. Pana patomboisa / when we are opening, pana patoisa / when we are closing. Kantada so our tag rinenge rapera. You can even omit the / it doesn't change anything, as long as it doesn't have it doesn't have this. Oh, you see, now it's putting, as long as it doesn't have this doesn't work. So you have to remove this, right? So image redu rine attribute yarinotora. Attribute yarinotora inonzi source, and source attribute ndeye ku location kune image redu. Saka for this matter hatisi kushandisa hatishandise source as source akazara, but what we do is that we say src like this. Then our image ratoda kulinga riri munomu. Saka you can go to my image ndakariti logo.png, or image rako rinogona kunge rina .jpeg kana .jpg kana .gif, zvinenge zvichisiyana as long as riri image. So in rangu rina png, so zvandinouya panapa ndinobva ndaenda ndati logo.png, and when I save this, you see I have this big image rangu rukuvhura rakadai so because riri big. So what we want to do, we want to make it shorter, kuti ribudikira. Then tinoti width like this image. This time ndoda kuti mungonyora njazo explain kumberi about this. Ndoda kuti mungonyora kuti 200px like this, and when we save, you see rinenge rabuda rakadi richonekera. Don't worry about this, just put this attribute width and put the value 200px just like that. That's all that you need when you're adding an image. Another thing is that you can add an image from a link. For example, let us go on Google and search maybe code. We just want an image, code. So if we go to images like this, I just want to take this image. This is big. Let us check this. This is big again. Yeah, this one. So if we come here and do copy image address, we have copied the image link. So if we come to another image tag like this, so don't worry about this for now. We come here and we paste the link that we copied from Google like this. It might be longer than this. Just copy a link of an image like what I did and say save. If you see here, we have this image without downloading it in our computer. We can set the width like we did last time and say 200 pixels like this. You see, we have that image now in our browser. So you can add images from a file location, or you can add them from a link. So this is about images. The last thing that I want to talk about images is we want to come here and say title, and then we say digital 100 logo. You can put anything here. So what is this? When we save and we come to digital 100 and hover over, it then points out digital 100 logo. It's from here. If I remove this and say Percy like this, right, and come here, it will be saying Percy. You see, but if you come here, because we haven't put the title attribute, it doesn't change anything. So this title is an attribute, an image. When you put it, it puts description of the image. So this is all what we want to talk about images today. Let us move to a video tag. So on video and audio, I won't talk too much about them. You will learn much more when we move forward. So in this lesson, I will just put a video tag. This is for video. And then video is different from image. Image was self-closing. Video is not for self-closing. We'll put it this way. So what we want to do here is want to put source. It takes source just as image, and our source will put my image. I named it intro.mp4. You see. So if I save this, nothing yet. Let me do this. I want to say controls. Something is happening. Oh, it's down here. That's where the video. Oh, I forgot that the video has like the background. That background is from the video. So I want to make it shorter so that we can see. I say width and say 300 pixel and save. Now we can see it here. This is our video. Another thing, there is this attribute. If we see, we have just put the attribute and we didn't put an equal sign in the value. These are called Boolean attributes. For now, we what about that? Just do as I have done. Tinozozviona kune mamwe matutorials and just explain more about this type of attributes, but for now we just need to put them. So if I remove these controls like this and save, it will just put a video without play and stop and none next to event. So for me to have those controls, I just need to put controls like this, and if I save, we see them, and this is a video that we can play. You see, so there's another attribute that we can put. The attribute is autoplay. So autoplay is just the same as controls. If we save it, then starts to play automatically the moment you save or patinongo refresh, the video starts to play automatically. Or something to happen. So I don't know what was happening, but when you put it on autoplay, it then starts to play automatically. So this is all about the video. So let us just jump to audio. I won't talk much about audio. Audio is pretty much the same as video. So what I need to do is to set audio and put the link, the name of video read panababa, it's guitar, right? Guitar.mp3 like this, and we save. Let me remove this video so that it won't disturb us on audio. So another thing that we want to put on audio are the controls, and say controls, and we save. You see, now we have this audio player. So if we play it, so this is the audio tag, and we have like the download and the slide bar, what do you call this, then I play with it. So this is all about video, audio and images. That's all you need to know now. So ndozvese guys, thank you for watching this video. I know trangarareba saka ndo zvatiri kudzidza mu next tutorial tichapinda mune zvimwe zvachatanga kudzidza. So see you in the next video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, subscriber, and share this to others so that tidzidze rakawanda. Thank you. See you in the